Hi, I am Mario Toyo Pereño, Barangay Sus Dakilat 21 General Matyarang Alvarez, Cavite, Nakira, Philippines. It's already 2013 now, another year. 2012, they say it was the end of the world, but I never believed when I believed in the newspaper and watched the YouTube. But when I watch the YouTube, it's more it's more slightly make me believe because the source was NASA and so many scientists and experts in that of stuff with alien archaeology and astronomy, etc. There's a lot of scientists involved, so I'm not interested. But for me, the thing is, if it's the end of the world, there should be lots of signs. At least 4 to 5 up volcanoes erupting, and there's a lot of earth tracks, more like super gigantic signs, because it's 2012, end of the world. So that's what keeps me calm down. So I'm worried, but not that much. The next is, so it's 2013. So I'm right. There's no it's not true. So the thing that bothers me is the flood here in Manila, Philippines. It's getting worse yearly, and even in a lot of countries around the world. And the newspaper I read about 19 in the year 1992, when I was second year high school. I read about the newspaper and it, Oy! Kuya, Rex, Happy New Year! Musta? Dito ka tumira uli!
Oo, wala tapos na.
Walang baha dito, walang lindol, walang tsunami. Dito ka na lang. Sige, sige. Kamusta ka naman kaya, Happy New Year? The thing is that the editorial that I read in 1992 when I was second year high school, it was it's kind of bothered me when I watched the news. The blood level is more higher than the past floods, and very much more destructive than the past floods back. The thing is, according to the newspaper that I read, well, a lot of scientists around the world gathered together for the said meeting, for the said world emergency, because they some of them estimated that they all estimated that in year 2020, lot of island type of countries will be submerged or underwater because of the continuous meltdown of ice or snow in North Pole and South Pole, because of the said phenomenon, the ozone layer, the whole ozone layer of the North Pole, South Pole spot. So the thing is, now 2013. Here in Manila, we're a tropic country. So currently we have about three three to four above storms. Very usual and common in our country. We're, we're just lucky to be in a mountain side. But it's not totally mountain. Here in our place, it's more like a plain too, but it's a higher plain, more like the level of Manila compared to us is very low. We're in highlands. We're just lucky, that but we're affected because of our relatives there. My but they're okay. Thanks. The thing is, 2013, 2014, it's all after 2020. It is only only 7 years. 7 years. It will only take 7 years. It is at 2020, and it's happening. What is happening? But I'm very much relaxed because United States, UN, United Nations, and Australia, etc., or United Nations, Filipinos are a good worker, a good citizen, trustworthy person. So, and highly loved by not only America, Europe, etc., and even Islam, Australia, and Asia. There's a lot of Filipinos done. So, for me, when it comes 2020, if it's true, if it happens, we'll be evacuated in each country, giving chance. Perhaps America, Europe, Asia, or Australia, Islam. I know they, but they're friends of our family. They get to us. So I'm relaxed. I'm very much relaxed, and I know United Nations even will react fast those this phenomenon, and the thing that country done is the happening of some melting of island type planets. It's not fast or not an instant phenomenon happening. It is more like from this level to this level, more like not that abrupt. Okay, so I'm very much relaxed. For me, it's not that alarm. But I did attempt for go to America, etc., and other places. But I will not just live there and watch our people and our country. So I'm planning to do some projects that will prevent said flood. Yes, I have projects that will prevent floods. Project called Project Zero Flood. Also Zero Project Zero Flood. Project Zero Flood. Project Zero Flood. It's very easy to prevent, but there's no still. I recorded those Project Zero Flood a lot of times, but still no picture. I don't know what's going on, because Project Zero Flood is a big trick for me, for a reporter, or a journalist, or a writer. a big break for certain.
Kasi, may Mighty White. Mighty White.
Wala. So, I'm still waiting.
Magpapula lang kayo ng isa. Wala ka dyan, wala ka.
Going to Manila.
Guys, pagsampu sila dito ng isa ha.
Checks. So I'm just waiting for the after my teachers here to Bagi Zero Blood. I did record it a lot of times and put it in Orkut, not even in Google, YouTube, MySpace, Twitter, Hi-Fi, etc. etc. LinkedIn, Tumblr. Still no reaction from Nietzsche. A lot of Nietzsche men are eyeing for big rich. A lot of journalists eyeing for big news. A lot of writers are eyeing for big stories. But still no Nietzsche till now. So I just left it. But I'm thinking of a more ways to reach them. Okay, this has been Mario pa rin yung plan pa rin yung makalina. Just stay calm. And the thing is, in year 1992, they stopped the Spynet. There's no Spynet now. And the part of the back part of the rep that produce harmful gases, they also they adjust it, and they just improve preventing from producing the poisonous gas. So just stay calm, and it will not happen abroad. Very slow. Is Mario Antonio pa rin yun? And let me have my video, please. Mario Antonio pa rin yun, pang plan pa rin yun. That guys, bye guys. That's all mga nilang pa rin around the world, fishing all the way.